severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County and east central Georgia until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stellaville, 8 miles northeast of Louisville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Louisville, Rennes, Stapleton, Matthews, Stellaville, and Stapleton's Crossroads.